Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Zoho Books. Now Zoho Book has to do with comprehensive accounting software for growing businesses where you can manage your end-to-end accounting right from invoicing to inventory and expenses with their cloud accounting software. You can start a free trial today or request a demo. Now the features it has are quotes. These are the core. Let's start with the core features. So we have let's do that again. Other features are receivables, payables, tax compliance, bank reconciliation, inventory, projects and accounting, reports, collaboration for accountants. This has so many features, so like we've mentioned them, so you can get under inventory, efficient inventory and stock management. So if you scroll through here, you will see so many great features that they have. And let's quickly go to the pricing. Now when it comes to pricing, they have the perfect balance for you, perfect balance of features and affordability. They have the free, standard, professional and premium plans. That's the plans that can get you started, and then you want to go beyond the basic, they have the professional, premium, elite and ultimate plans too. So you can contact them using for sales inquiry, support inquiry, partnership inquiry. They also have an add-on repository for users, advanced auto scan locations and expense claim. So it is a very great app for. Let's see what else they have. Okay, talk about the features. So we have, and they also have Zoho inventory for purchasing, warehousing, order fulfillment, automation and analytics, order management and inventory. So they have a lot of products. You can talk to the experts. They have a lot of products. So they also have the creator, Zoho Book, Zoho Invoice, Zoho CRM and all other products they have. The recent launches and everything. So if you need to know more, quickly go to zoho.com and learn more about them.